HCF of 39 and 91 is 13. Find LCM. So here LCM into HCF is product of two numbers. So HCF, we need to find LCM. HCF is 13. Two numbers are 39 and 91. 13 times 1, 13 times 3. So LCM is 91 times 3, that is 273. So correct option is B. 4.57. 4.57 bar. See, as it is non-terminating but repeating. 4.57, 57, 57. Non-terminating but repeating is rational number. So the correct option is here B. Next, the line represented by 4x minus 3y cuts x-axis, y-axis side. So 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y equals 9. Cuts y-axis. See, if a line cuts y-axis, at that point x value will be 0. X value will be 0. So 4 into 0 minus 3y equals 9. So minus 3y equals 9. So y equals 9 by minus 3. So y equals minus 3. So the point is 0 comma minus 3. So 0 comma minus 3. The correct option is A. Next one. This problem you can do with the help of logic. The point on x-axis which is equidistant from. The point on x-axis equidistant from 2 points. So see, these 2 points are on the axis. One is 5 comma 0. The other one is minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total see 6 boxes. So exactly in the middle, like see here 1, 1, 2, 2. So like this if you do, exactly the point is in 2 comma 0. So the correct option is A. Okay, here 3 parts, here 3 parts. So exactly in the middle 2 comma 0. Or otherwise you can take the point x comma 0. You can do PA equals PB. PA distance equals PB distance. Here x-axis, the point on x-axis you take it as A. So P is 5 comma 0. A is x comma 0 and Q is minus 1 comma 0. P AP distance equals AQ distance. But you got the answer 2 comma 0. Next one. Fifth question if you'll see. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC and PQR. PQR are similar. Angle A is 31, so P also will be 31. Angle R is 69, so C will be 69 because corresponding. So then they are asking Q. So very clearly 69 and 31 is 100, so it's clearly Q is 80. So the correct option is D. Next one. Cos theta is root 3 by 2. So cos theta is root 3 by 2. So here you can, instead of Pythagoras theorem and triangle, you can do directly cos theta equals root 3 by 2. So cos theta equals, in cos root 3 by 2 you will get for like 30 degrees. So on comparing, theta is 30. So if you will simplify, cosec square 30 minus sec square 30 by cosec square 30 plus sec square 30. Cosec 30 value is 2. So it is 2 square. Sec 30 value is 2 by root 3 whole square by same values 2 square, 2 by root 3 whole square. So here if you simplify, 2 square is 4 minus 4 by 3 by 4 plus 4 by 3. If you take LCM in this one, LCM is here 3. So 4 times 3, 12. 12 minus 4. Here 12 plus 4 by 3. 3, 3 cancel. 12 minus 4 is 8. 12 plus 4 is 16. So 8 by 16, which is 1 by 2. So the correct option is C. Next one. The area swept by 7 centimeters long minute hand of a clock in 10 minutes. So here radius is very clearly given. Radius 7 centimeters long. So radius is given. Time is not given. In 10 minutes, how much angle will it cover? So to find theta, time is given 10 minutes. To find theta, 10 minutes out of 60 minutes into complete angle 6166, so 60 degrees. So theta you have 60 degrees. So area set by this hand, so area of a sector formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 6 times 1, 6 times 6. 0, 0 cancel. 2 times 3, 2 times 11. 2 times 3, 2 times 11. So now if you'll see this, 11 into 7, 77 by 3. So 77 by 3, if you write in mixed fraction, that will become like 25 2 by 3. Because 3 into 25, 75 plus 2, 77 by 3. So the correct option is D. The probability of getting two heads when two fair coins are tossed together. When two fair coins are tossed, so we'll get like 4 outcomes. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. In that, the probability of getting two heads is only one time. So probability of an event is here 1 out of 4. So the correct option is B. The two numbers have their HCF 12. So HCF is 12 and their product. So two numbers as HCF is 12. So one number I'll consider it as 12x. The other number I'll consider it as 12y. They told the product of two numbers is 6336. So 12 into 12, 144. XY is 6336. So XY is 6336 divided by 144. So X times Y, if you divide 6336 by 144, you are getting like 44. So product of two numbers is like here 44. So what are the possible numbers for X and Y which you will get if you multiply 44? See 1 and 44, 2 and 22, and 4 times 11. See first one you can take co-primes. Second one you cannot because 2 is common. Again HCF will change if you take these numbers. So 4 and 11. 144, 4, 11. 1 into 44, 4 into 11. So these are the two pairs. Two pairs are possible. So the correct answer is A. Next one. The pair of equations y equals 2 and y equals minus 3. See 0. Here y values 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, x values. Y is equal to 2. You'll get a line like this. Y equals minus 3. You'll get a line like this. Both are parallel. As these two lines are parallel, we will not get any solution. No solution. Next one. In figure given below, if PQ is parallel to AB, we need to find X. So as the lines are parallel, we'll apply BPT theorem. Like see here I'll apply BPT. CP by PA equals CQ by QB. So CP is nothing but x plus 3 by 3x plus 19. Here x by 3x plus 4. So just cross multiply. X plus 3 into 3x plus 4 equals x into 3x plus 19. X into 3x, 3x square. X into 4, 4x. 3 into 3, 9x. 3 into 4, 12. X into 3x is 3x square. X into 19 is 19x. 3x square and 3x square cancel. 4 plus 9, 13x plus 12 equals 19x. 12 equals 19x minus 13x. So 12 equals here you will get 6x. So x equals 2. X equals 2. So the correct option is A. Next. Given that sin alpha is root 3 by 2. Sin alpha is root 3 by 2. So sin alpha, in sin root 3 by 2 you will get for like sin 60. So alpha is 60. Next tan beta is 1 by root 3. So tan beta, in tan you will get 1 by root 3 for tan 30. So beta equals 30. So now they are asking cos alpha minus beta. Cos alpha minus beta. So cos alpha is 60, beta is 30. Cos 60 minus 30 is cos 30. Cos 30 is again like root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So the correct option is A. Next, in a single throw of a die, the probability of getting a composite number. So if you take a single die, composite numbers will be like one single throw. See, in a die you will get outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this, 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime, okay, 5 is a prime. So how many composite numbers we have? 2. So probability of an event here is 2 out of 6, which is 1 by 3. So the correct option is A. Next, here the decimal expansion, one second. The decimal expansion of 3177 by 250. So 250, if you do prime factors, 3177 by 250 is 125 into 2, so 5 cube into 2. So here 5 power 3, so highest power is here 3, so we'll be getting like 3 decimal. So the correct option is C. Next one, the pair of linear equations. Now see here, they give two equations, 3x plus 2y equals 7, 4x plus 8y minus 11 equals 0. See, 3 by 4, 2 by 8. So here only 3 by 4 and it is 1 by 4. 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. They are not equal. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So therefore the lines are like intersecting. So the correct option is C. In an equilateral triangle, the length of the altitude. They are asking the length of the altitude. Altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2a. Here they told root 3 by 2. Side is p. So root 3 by 2p. The correct option is A. Sin theta is p by q. Sin theta is p by q. So take a triangle. They are asking the tan theta value. Here I'll take theta A, B, C. So sin theta is P by Q. So opposite by hypotenuse. So if I take theta here, opposite hypotenuse. If I apply Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals AB square plus BC square. AC is Q, AB is P, BC square. So Q square minus P square equals BC square. So under root Q square minus P square equals BC. So we need to find tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So tan theta equals, opposite is AB and adjacent is BC. So opposite is P and adjacent BC, just now you got under root Q square minus P square. Under root you got Q square minus P square. So P by under root Q square minus P square. So the correct option is C. In the same way, the next one, a vertical pole of length 19 meters casts a shadow 19 meters, casts a shadow 57 meters. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 51 meters. So tower casts a shadow 51 meters. What is the height? See, these two triangles will be similar at the same time as the two. So directly you take corresponding sides. 19 by h equals 57 by 51. 19 times 1, 19 times 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 17. So height is 17 meters. The correct option is C. Next one, the simplest form of this equation. Now here they are asking the simplest form. 1 minus under root 1 minus cos square theta, which is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. See, you have the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So 1 plus, this is secant square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta value is secant square theta. And the first one, 1 minus cos square theta, I wrote with the help of identity sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So 1 minus cos square is sine square. So now you got sine square into secant square. So this two values you don't have in the option. So sine square, sec square theta you can write as 1 by cos square theta. So this is nothing but sine square by cos square, which is tan square. So root tan square, square root cancel. So you will get like tan theta. So the correct option is D. 1 minus cos square is sine square, 1 plus tan square is secant square. Secant square you can write as 1 by cos square. Sine square by cos square, tan square. Square root cancel, tan. Next one, 20th question. See, this is like in the given figure, AD square. See, if it is at 90 degrees, ABC are complementary. ABC. See, indirectly they told this angle plus this angle is 90. So they told angle B plus angle C is 90. So angle A is right angle. So here angle B, angle A is 90 degrees. So here at this point, if you take the triangle, take big triangle A, correct answer is AD square. Okay, this is mean proportion. AD square is equal to BD into CD. Correct answer is C. But I'll explain now. See, this AD perpendicular, this is BDC. These two angles are equal. So angle A is 90. Now take the big triangle BAC. 2 times you take. One more time take BAC. Now name this small triangle. B you took, then you took 90A, then you went for C. Okay. Then B you take D. Okay. BDA. Triangle BDA. BAC, BDA. Because common angle 90 you took in the second one. 90, 90, common angle. Next, BAC. See, in this big triangle and in this small triangle, common angle is C and it is at the end. 90 should be in the middle, D. So A. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. From this, we can say again these two triangles. BDA is similar to triangle ADC. Now, if you write sides proportional for this, BD by AD, DA by DC, BA by AC. Now, if you equate these two, you'll get BD into DC, BD into DC equals AD into AD is AD square. So the correct option is C.